Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So Motorola again is in action. Motorola announced two new smartphone, Moto G9 Power and Moto G 5G. The latest mid-range in the Moto family are here with the Moto G9 Power and the Moto G 5G. The G9 Power gets its name from a 6000 mAh battery, while the Moto G 5G is a brand most affordable 5G phone in Europe at €300. First of all, we're talking about the Moto G9 Power. In addition to its massive battery, the Moto G9 Power comes with a 6.8-inch HD plus LCD and punch hole cutout for its 16 megapixel selfie camera. The back houses a 64 megapixel main shooter alongside a 2 megapixel macro camera and 2 megapixel depth helper. You will also find a usual Moto dimple within the embedded fingerprint scanner. Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 sits in the helium socket with a 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, which is further expandable with microSD card. The phone boots Android 10 with the Motorola My UX on top. The massive 6000 mAh battery charge over USB-C and support a 20-volt charging speed. The Moto G9 Power retail for €200 in Europe and comes in a light wallet and the metallic Sega colors. It also arriving to more markets in the Latin America, Middle East and Asia in the coming weeks. Now talking about the Moto G5G. As 5G network are slowly but surely making their way to more countries around Europe, Motorola want to offer users to affordable gateway to the next generation experience. The Moto G 5G is a 6.7-inch phone powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset. It's packed a more vertical camera setup with a 48 megapixel main camera added by 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and 2 megapixel macro camera, keeping a thing running in 5000 mAh cell, which also does 20-volt charging over USB-C. The phone also holds an IP52 splash proof rating and retains the headphone jack on the bottom. The software upfront is covered by the Android 10 with My UX on top. The Moto G5G come in Volation Gray, Frosted Silver color, and while offer 4 gigabytes of RAM and 6 gigabytes of RAM also, and 64 and 128 gigabytes of storage. Retail price for the base model is set at €300. Like the G9 Power, is the G5G will come in the Latin America, Middle East and Asian market in the next few weeks. So this is the latest two Motorola smartphone with a 5G connectivity. Let me know in the comment section which one your favorite, and also like this video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out and bye.